XBar W70 is powered by advanced AI features that make every meeting smarter and more immersive. With Smart Gathering Mode, you get individual views of active speakers and a clear view of the entire room, so you never miss a face or the full picture. Now, let's talk about AI noise suppression. We're going to create some background noise. As you can tell, it's quite noisy in here.
But thanks to our AI suppression system, you can still hear my voice clearly.
You can also easily set a meeting boundary. Only participants inside the defined area will be seen and heard. If someone steps outside the boundary to take a call, they won't be captured by the camera, and their voices won't be picked up.
Inside the zone, you can hear every word I'm speaking clearly.